Good day guys, it's me again, Rayski, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Karma Grip. Okay, I'm using my GoPro Karma Grip with Hero 5 Black. Okay, so first, it's easy. Okay, first you need a flat surface, table. Place the handle accordingly, okay, like this, and press this button. Press for around 8 to 10 seconds. Okay, let's proceed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Just wait until it calibrate itself. Okay. It vibrates also. Okay, wait until the light blink. If the light blink, it's still calibrating. So let's wait it until it's stopped. So it's done. It's done calibrating our Karma Grip. So look at it now. Newly calibrated and looks new and fresh. Okay, that's it. So easy, right guys? Aww. So if you like my video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to notify you for any of my video uploads. Thank you and see you soon.